my bar for talent is much more related to take-home assignments that relate to digesting. And I'm not talking like a technical document that has like a bunch of math all over it that only like a PhD would understand. I'm talking like an industry article that's meant for a wider reach. And I want to understand how they digested the information, what they learned from it, if they went further from the article. And then I want them to write just a couple paragraphs about it. That's my technical take-home assignment in an interview process. The key ingredient there is you and I and 10 other people can read a sentence in an article and interpret it, I guess, 12 different ways in that particular example. And I think there's risk in that if we're not able to understand what the author was trying to say and what the overall message was in the article and what the product actually does. It's really easy to miss, right? Salespeople can be very surface level. Oh yeah, man, this thing's got AI and cloud in it. Hell yeah, let's sell it, right? No.
Just open up your APIs and we'll be good.
Right. So really truthfully understanding something that's written and then being able to regurgitate. It sounds like such a simple thing, but for me is a barometer to get in the door.